for freefire.
We go back and forth, but just know that's the start of it. Running through my mind, but you don't want no part of it. Hate it when you leave me, cause I get so lonely. You say that you love me, why can't you just show me? We don't wanna talk now. Tell me that I changed ever since I got no bust down. Tell me when it rains, you don't wanna have the sun out. Made it out of mud, gotta get it with my dogs now. I've been feeling up now. Dog, taking all these drugs, cause these drugs help the stress now. I done took these L's when I fell, but I got dubs now. All these cards I'm dealt, I give them hell like I'm the best out. Look, my money invest out. I just need these bulletproofs on my vest now. I just popped a bean or two so I can't stress out. I remember days when my mama told me get out. I remember days when they had me on the bad line to show. Feeling like MJ when I'm on the moon, I can't float. I be in a valley in my pocket, that's a death note. You can't tell me what to do, for something I said so. Yeah. Fuck it, no, I mean it. Why you gotta talk too much? Shut up or I'm leaving. Muddy in my cup right now, fuck, I feel like sleeping. And if I'm up or addy, do not know if I'm still breathing, but I'm up. Just tell me that my habits changed. Don't have much to lose, only love to gain. Tell me why this love comes with so much pain. Do it for my fam, I don't want the fame. We don't wanna talk now.